We got another one. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Pokemon card unpacking, unboxing, whichever term you like to use. But before we do that, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you are up to date when we do these again. And don't forget to hit that like button, smash it, volt tackle, lightning bolt, whatever you want to do, but make sure to the like button. We've got a special one for you today. In my hands, I've got 4 Vivid Voltage booster packs, along with, we will be opening up 2 tin boxes. So we've got the Mew and the Mewtwo tin box. So without further ado, I'm Ian.
I'm Ian too.
And we will get to the unpacking of the booster boxes. So which one are we opening?
This one.
All right. Go ahead and open it up. There we go. Ooh, so we've got here the XY Fates Collide booster pack.
Lord.
And we got a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion
Wait,
pack.
what's in the back?
We got a coin featuring this Pokemon.
I know which Pokemon that is, but I know I remember the word.
Let us know in the comments. We are at a loss for words. So we've got the art card from Mewtwo. Shows some interesting stats about him. So these are the 2 packs that we got from that tin. We're gonna add it to our Vivid Voltage packs. And on to the next tin.
Ooh.
We got a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion pack. Ooh.
My goodness, Steve.
Ooh. Ooh. We have a XY Steam Siege pack.
Wait.
Shake it off.
Wait.
Shake it off. Here comes.
Boop. Lunala.
Guys, help us out here. Am I holding it right?
I thought it was Lunala.
Oh, I guess. We've got a art card of Mew with Psyduck there at the bottom. There's his stats right there. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We have a lot. But it doesn't stop there. We've got a surprise. What? It's like throwing a Pokeball and out comes what? We've got more booster packs.
It's Mew. Why are you closing it?
So, thank you, Premier Ball. You've been great to us. Yeah, which one are you opening first?
This one.
That one. Okay, let me get.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Dark energy. Flip this over. Energy recycler.
Machoke. Max Potion.
Wait, what?
Helioptile. Antom. Spookiness. Stuffle.
Ooh.
Whelmer. Machop. We got a reverse hollow Helioptile. A Victory Bell. Also, if there are any packs that you'd like to see us open from other sets that you have not seen before, let us know in the comments below so that we can find those sets and unbox them in front of your lovely eyes. Ooh. Alright, there's your energy. Psychic. Dashing Pouch. Haunter. Lusamine. We got a Bunnelby. A Carablast. We got a Spoink. We got a Salandit. Mankey. Ooh!
Reverse hollow Beedrill.
Follow the stinger.
Oh!
It does! My goodness. We got a holographic Xerneas. So I have them nice in a pile.
Yep.
So blossom.
And
The energy of the pack is
fire.
Sea of Nothingness. We got a Miltank. Zweilous. We got a Zweilous. Cacnea.
Dario.
We got the Ghastly. Aron.
Do you?
Oh!
Salazzle.
What is behind the Salazzle? Type null? What?
What is that?
What? People in the comments, help us out here. It is a holographic. The next pack will be a Sun and Moon pack. Really hard. Energy of the pack is a fighting. Hypno. Got a Pokeball. Pelipper. Ooh, we got a Growlithe.
Alot, Meowth, Jupiter, Lolon Diglett,
Nah.
Marini. Oh!
Ooh, we got a reverse hollow Crabominable. It's a hollow Genghis-Con. Dun, 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 dun.
You said Genghis-Khan.
Vivid Voltage. Sword and Shield. We are jumping.
The pack is Leaf.
A Doomies. Galarian Stuffix. No, so Aromatic Energy. Nincada. A Nincada. A Whismur. A Drillbur. A Whalmer. Excuse me. Cottony. Ooh, we got a reverse hollow Chimecho.
Another.
Oh, we got another Xerneas. I'm gonna go with the Celebi pack. Here we go. Energy card of the pack is Electric. We got a Cramorant.
Kakuna.
A Sirchester Bath. Whelmer.
Dominic.
Dynamo. Execute. Chatot. Clubopus. Swellow. Quagsire.
So final. What
Water.
energy?
Sableye. A Galvantula. A Gogurt.
Clefairy. Wilmer. Dynamo. Execute. Chatot. Beedrill.
We got a Shedinja. A Shedinja. Our last one from Vivid Voltage set. There's the energy of the pack is Hitmontop, Krokorok, a Dalmes, Cottony, a Rakuda, the Nincada, Pikipek, Puccina, Hitmontop. Are you ready?
Wait,
A
what?
Togekiss V. We are down to our final 3 from XY. Here we go. Alright, we've got the energy of the pack is... Ooh, an old Amber card. Interesting. Not an energy. Scorched Earth. Ammonite.
Wait, what is that?
A Riolu.
Bronzor.
A Deerling. You got a Carbink. Fennekin. A Reverse Hollow.
Snipey.
Followed by an Aerodactyl. We are down to 2 packs left for our video. Here we go. Flip it over. Special charge. Special charge. Shieldon. Fletchender.
Ponyard. Ponyta. Think.
A Mantine. Joltik. Ooh, we got a reverse hollow Infernape. And a hollow Kling Clang. Kling Clang, Kling Clang. Kling Clang, Kling Clang. The last pack of the video. The last pack. Steam Siege. We go. You're yawning. Why are we yawning? It's because we're hungry. When we're hungry. At 1, 2, 3. Move it to the front. Flip it on over.
Ninja Boy. Rapidash.
Persian. Litleo. A Nidorano. A male. Got a Nose Pass. Hoppip. Meowth. We got a reverse hollow Fletchling. Got an Among Us. So we had 2 from the mini tin of the Mew.
So we
Another
actually
2.
got-
So that's 4. The Pokeball had 3. That's 7. And then we had 4 Vivid Voltage packs, which brings us to a total count of 11. So thank you. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the little bell next to it. Why? What? Don't forget the little bell. Thank you. We appreciate your time. We hope you are having as much fun as we are. Until the next time, my friends. Bye.
Okay, now to eat.